Something ate my beet top. Whoever it is doesn't like onions. Look, hail. Hail the size of marshmallows. Oh my goodness. It apparently hailed when I wasn't looking. Oh goodness. Somebody threw out marshmallows for my little raccoonies. Well, apparently a neighbor threw out marshmallows, because I didn't do it. Well, let's see if anybody eats them. Oh, here comes somebody sneaking along the curb. Are you kitty or are you raccoon? Skunks are much lower than that. We are I don't know. He's a little bump. But it's got a big high rump. That's a raccoon. The raccoon is going after my marshmallow hail. Is that tasty stuff? Oh, look what I found. I found something soft and squishy and sweet. Oh, this is so yummy. Ooh, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it all up. Oh, I don't want to share. Nobody come around. This is mine and mine alone. No, no, everybody stay away. These are my marshmallows. Hey, you guys down there, you stay away from here. Because these are my marshmallows. I'm not going to share them with anybody. See? I'm going to go over and I'm going to eat this one now. Oh, they're so nice and tasty and sweet. And I get squishy stuff all over my whiskers. Oh, let's go see. Is there any more? Oh, I hope there's some more. They're so sweet. I had to run down and get a drink of water because they're so sweet. Is this another one? Oh, they're so tasty. I think I'll go dip it in the water down there. Makes them softer and stickier. Somebody else coming around? They better not. I don't share. No, I don't. Oh, should I roll it in a little dirt? Add a little crunchy coating to it. Who's that over there? Oh, let's see if they got some over here. Who's that over there? You better stay away. Oh, here's another one. Oh, got ready to go hide. Don't want anybody to go take my marshmallows. Oh, it's so tasty, especially rolled in this nice soft dirt. And they're the big marshmallows too. They're the nice big ones, not the super big ones, just the big ones. Oh, here's another one. Oh, I got it. It does look like it hailed, but it's not hail, it's marshmallows. Tasty, sticky, sweet marshmallows. Do I dare go back for another one? I've had 6 now. Or was it 7? Could have been 8. I don't know how many I ate. Did I eat 8? Oh, let's see. Is there any more? Is there some more over here? Oh, they're way over there. No, they're over there. Let me find them. Oh, is this another one? Oh, they're so nice and sticky and sweet. I bet you I'm going to have an upset tummy later. And I'm starting to get drunk on that sugar. I can hardly walk straight. I'm going to dip it in a little water, make it squishier and stickier. Oh, these are so nice and tasty. Oh, never had these before. I sure like them. I hope somebody gives them to me all the time. They're so good. Never found them in a trash can. Or when I've been digging, I find grubs, but I never find icky, sticky marshmallows. There's no marshes around here. Let me see, is there some more down this way? I think I might have had my fill. I'm kind of hard to walk now. Oh. I even got one stuck to my foot. Can't get it off. Okay, I got it off. Let's see, is there any more down this way? Oh, do you think they left me enough of them? Yeah, see? My foot's nice and clean. I got the marshmallow washed off. Oh, but here's another one. Oh, how many of these things can I eat before I get real sick? Yep, here's another tasty marshmallow just for me. And me alone. I'm not going to share. Not with anybody. I done. Did somebody say that there were some marshmallows up here? Yeah, they said there was marshmallows. Where did they say the marshmallows were? I don't know. Are they over here by the pole? They didn't say. They just said they were over here. They weren't specific. Where are they? Where are they? Are they out here in the street? No, they're not out here in the street. Where could they be? Where could they be? Over here? Over here? Oh, I can smell marshmallow fragrance. Oh, there's marshmallow fragrance out here. But stop chasing my tail. Let's look for the marshmallows. I know they're here. I know they're here. Oh, shall we have a little springtime activity even though it's not spring? I thought we were here to look for marshmallows. I'd rather fuss around. I don't want to look for marshmallows. Ooh, I can smell the marshmallow goo that's spread all over the place, but where's the marshmallows? I'm just going to have to lick up the drippings. Where'd you go? Don't you want to have some marshmallows too? Well, I'll just have to lick up all this stuff myself. I'm not going to share if you're not going to stick around. Where'd you go? Go. Are you down there? There. Are you down in the storm drain? Where'd my buddy go? Oh, you went and ran under the street. Did you find any marshmallows down there? No, I guess not. They said they were over here. Two of our buddies said there was marshmallows over here. Where are they? Where are they? Oh. Smell something up here. You trying to chase me off? Come on, let's share the marshmallows. No, they're not over here. Where are the marshmallows? They weren't specific. They just said they were over in this direction. And I got this cold, so I can't tell where they are by smell. Well, they've got to be around here somewhere. Let's see. What are our options? We can't find them in the street. We can't find them in the storm drain. Could they be up here in the lawn? Ooh, I smell something. There was marshmallows up here. I can smell where they dripped. I found one. Yes, I did. Yes, I found one, and I'm not gonna share. You don't want to come up and look for your own. Ooh, it's nice and sticky on the bottom of my paws. I gotta lick it off. Then it gets stuck in my teeth and I can hardly chew it off. Oh, they're so nice and sweet and sticky. Yeah, aren't there any more? That was so good. I want more. I want more. Oh, think I found another one. Yeah. Well, come over and help me clean up this yard full of marshmallows? Or are you just going to stay down there? Wonder if there's another. Oh, here is another one. Oh, they're so good. Nice and sticky and sweet. Where's the hot chocolate? I like mine with hot chocolate. Now, should we try to make some s'mores? Did you say s'mores? I like s'mores. Well, if you're not going to share, I'm going to leave. Nope, I'm not going to share. Oh dear. You want to smell my lips? They smell like marshmallows now. They're so nice and sweet and tasty. Come and smell my lips. You want to lick my whiskers? I got sticky whiskers. You want to lick my whiskers? Or do you want to play tag some more? Maybe I can sneak past you and you won't know? Shall we play ring around the pole? Oh, let's see, is there any more marshmallows out here? Any more anywhere? Us raccoons really like marshmallows. Let's see, is there another one over here? I betcha, I betcha, I betcha. Here's another one right here. Oh, they're so sweet and tasty. Then I gotta lick my fingers to get all the gooeys off of them. But oh, are those gooeys sweet and good. You want to come over and have some marshmallows? Where'd you go? I turned my back and you leave me.